Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my haul from the Pandora spring release of 2019. They released the collection here in the US on Tuesday and today's Friday, and I got my package today. And I ordered online because they sent me a 10% off coupon for my birthday, and it was only valid at the e-store. So since I was getting 10% off and I was anyways going to buy these things, I went ahead and ordered at the e-store. So I got the box today. I just took off my address label and I just opened the box. I haven't really seen the things yet, so let's go ahead and do that now. So this is the box. You can see it has Pandora written on the top, and then it has this envelope, and that has my receipt in it, and also the care and warranty card. So there's that, and then the box has multiple individual boxes, Pandora boxes in it. So as you can see, I ordered quite a bit. So let's start with the first box. Oh, and this is a reflections charm. So this is one of the new reflection bracelet charms, and I thought this was really beautiful and very springy. Really loved the details on it, and it's very simple, no CZs. So as you can see, the front of it has these leaves and 3 tiny dots in the middle, and the leaves have some detailing, and the other side is plain, and it does say Pandora on it on one of the leaves. I really like the new bracelet they came out with as well, the multi-strand snake chain bracelet they came out for the reflections line. But I think I'll wait to get that one, and maybe for Mother's Day or something. I'll drop a few hints. So that's the first thing. Then, let's see, okay, so this is the new safety chain. Okay, so this is the safety chain that they released with the spring collection, and it has these butterfly details on the chain. One of the butterflies is at the very top of the chain, and the other one is kind of a profile view, and it gives it a lot of movement. When the chain moves, it seems like the butterflies are flying, and the bails on these on this safety chain is a row of CZs all around. It's a beautiful, beautiful safety chain. Very pretty. And I thought I could put it on my blush butterfly bracelet because the theme is butterflies. So that's that. And then, okay, this is another butterfly charm. And this is enamel butterflies. These are so hard to get off. Okay, so this is pink enamel, and it's butterflies going all around the charm, and on the sides it has this beaded detail. Again, I thought it would go very well with my blush and butterfly bracelet. So that bracelet is full, so I'll have to figure out where it goes. But when I saw it, I just thought it will look beautiful on there, so went ahead and got that. And I don't remember the official names of these charms, so I'll put them down here for you guys. Then next, okay, I got this Petite. And this is almost the same as this one, but in the middle it has a CZ. And this is also in Pandora Rose. I'm a huge fan of their Petites, and I have 2 lockets, one heart-shaped key and one round one that I bought in the Buy More Save More. And I also have the ring, the round ring. So I am really fond of their Petites. So this is one of the first ones I got. And then I also got this one. And this is the Clover. And it's made up of green CZs. So pretty. And I know most of us associate clovers with St. Patrick's Day, but to me, it's a childhood memory. We would string clovers and other wildflowers into our hair, or string necklaces and earrings and wear those. So that's another Petite. And this is the last one. They came out with 3 Petites and I bought all of them because I really loved all of them. And this is the butterfly. And it's pink enamel, and it has, oh, hi there. And it has this beaded detail and its antenna. That's the 3rd one. And the last thing I got is this charm. And I really like this one. And I do need more plain silver charms because I love all the colors that Pandora is doing, and all the bright colors and all the bold colors, but I do need these plain silver charms to break things up. Otherwise, it's just too much of the same thing. I don't know if there are others out there who feel the same way, but I feel we need the plain silver, simple charms to go along with the bright, bold ones. So I got this one, and it's a very nice design. It has, let's see, 1, 2, and 3 of these round disc design things connected to form a circle. And again, a very beautiful charm, and this was only $30, I think, so it's pretty reasonable. And as I said, we need, at least I need, these plain silver charms to make my bracelet more cohesive. I don't know what's the right word, but you know what I mean. So I got one of these, and I'm thinking, should I buy another one to balance it on my bracelet or not? We'll see. So I'm glad that at least one of the charms was plain silver, and that is this one. So that's my haul from the spring collection. And there are definitely a few more items that I really want from this collection, and I'm just waiting to get those. Maybe my sales associate did say that they might have a free bracelet promotion on Mother's Day. She wasn't sure yet, because she said they didn't do a jewelry box this year, so it's probably going to be a free bracelet with a minimum spend, maybe 125 or something of the sort. So I'm thinking I'll wait and get the other charms on my wish list at that point. So for now, these are the things that I got. Did you get anything from the spring collection? Are there any of these charms on your wish list? Do let me know, and I'll see you soon. Bye.